Understanding biodegradable pots. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines environmental consciousness with gardening: the concept of biodegradable pots. Whether you're a language learner, a gardening enthusiast, or someone interested in sustainable living, this video will help you understand what biodegradable pots are and why they're important. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the term biodegradable. It refers to materials that can be broken down by microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and algae, eventually turning into natural substances like water, carbon dioxide, and compost. This process helps reduce waste and is beneficial for the environment. When we say something is biodegradable, it means it won't linger for years in landfills, causing pollution. Now, let's talk about pots. In gardening, pots are containers used for growing plants. They can be made from various materials, including plastic, metal, ceramic, and more. Each material has its pros and cons, affecting the plant's growth, the environment, and the ease of gardening. Combining the concepts from the previous sections, biodegradable pots are plant containers that can decompose naturally over time. Made from organic materials such as paper, cow manure, rice husks, or other plant fibers, these pots offer a sustainable alternative to traditional gardening containers. They allow plants to be transplanted directly into the ground, pot and all, minimizing root disturbance and plastic use. This is a great way to protect the environment while enjoying gardening. Biodegradable pots have several advantages. Eco-friendly. They reduce plastic waste, contributing to a healthier planet. Enhance plant growth. They allow roots to penetrate through their walls, promoting stronger root systems. Convenience. They eliminate the need for pot removal during transplantation, reducing transplant shock. We hope this video has enlightened you about biodegradable pots and their role in promoting a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to gardening. By choosing biodegradable pots, we can take a small but significant step towards protecting our environment and ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!